mom. Our DIY project showing today is renovating my daughter's dollhouse. Her previous dollhouse was made of used boxes from 2 stories upgraded to 3 stories. And now we'll transform it using the old kitchen shelf we had that my husband built when we first moved into our house. We have a new set of kitchen cabinets already, which I vlog about applying wallpaper. Please see the link in the description box. I got these self-adhesive wallpapers from Novo, 39 pesos per roll for 45 cm by 2 meters. They have a variety of designs to choose from. So let's start. It's easy to apply these self-adhesive wallpapers. Just measure, then cut. No need to mark with pens because there are grid lines already that guide you. This is for the top of the shelf. And this marble design is for the flooring of the dollhouse. After cutting according to their sizes, it's time to apply them on the shelf. Our floors are done. Now for the ceiling, I use the same design from the top shelf. For less hassle, tilt the shelf a bit into an angle. Ceilings are done too. Let's proceed with the walls. I purposely gave an extra wallpaper on these areas so that when you put another sheet of wallpaper, the wooden parts are hidden. This is the partial look. So everything's covered now and we're almost done. She's moving in. We still use the old furnitures we had from the previous dollhouse. The Lego houses which my husband and I patiently assembled. And there it is. This is the boys' bedroom, the bathroom, and walk-in closet. The girls' bedroom. The living room and office desk. The dining room and kitchen. This refrigerator is not good looking. We're planning to update our furniture and appliances soon, so please subscribe to stay tuned in. Thanks for watching. Bye.